starting at Liverpool Lime Street. We're going to go to Blackpool North. Okay, we're taking the 539 to Blackpool North on platform 5.
Please do not leave your luggage.
He's here.
We'll be calling at Highton, St Helens Central, Wigan Northwestern, Exton Bolshaw Lane. Thank you.
By a text on 61016.
Can you get leave in September? Definitely.
016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Well, that's nice. Wow. Yeah, we've avoided them.
Okay, so we arrived at Blackpool North there. We're going to walk up Coxton, Regent, go to our hotel there. Here is Blackpool Tower is right there. That's my hotel literally, with the Blackpool Tower in the background. So down these streets every single house is a hotel. That's why it was so confusing to book. This is the front of the Winter Gardens. Shows, events, conferences. It's quite big inside. As you can see, it's not being looked after. Next door, I think that might be the ballroom. Let's try and get... So this is still the Winter Gardens. It goes the whole way. So I guess this side is open and they're still doing events here. Here's another entrance to the Winter Garden. So this thing basically extends all around. There's the tower in the background. So there's the Opera House box office. So this whole thing all connects up. So there's the old Grand Theatre just sort of around the tower. So at the pier, I don't see anyone walking on there. And we've got the tide is out. There's people down there having a stroll. There's the tower. That's a fake tram, that's not the historic tram. It's a fake tram. There's the two piers, the tide is out. Okay, this is the entrance to the central pier. There was Madame Tussauds there by the bus. Wander in. Okay, so they don't charge admission, we're just gonna go in. We don't have these Dr. Pepper, cream soda, cherries, strawberries and cream, vanilla. Never seen these.
No! Yeah. Almost.
Thanks again for watching. Remember to check out my other videos for the rest of my trip around the UK, Shrewsbury, Oxford, the Isle of Man, more of this series, and I'll be back.